In this video, I will show you how to list users in Bash. Here, I will show you two different methods, and in the later sections, I will do a comparative analysis. So let's get started. In the first method, I will show you how to get a list of users by reading the passwd file. This file contains information of all users in your system. So now I will open the file. To do so, I will type the following command. The passwd file is located in the etc directory, so I have to mention the directory path while mentioning the ls command. The contents of the file is displayed in the terminal. This contains information about all the users in your system. For example, these are the users on the left hand side, separated by colons and then their informations. So we need to extract the usernames separated by colons. For this, I will write a bash script. At first, I will create a script named user.sh. Now I'll write the code first, then I'll explain it part by part. Now I will explain the script. At the first, I have written the shebang line, which will specify what kind of interpreter we are going to execute the script. Then I have written a while loop where I have mentioned a variable named ifs. Now this ifs stands for internal field separator, which is set to colon. This will separate all the strings or the contents of the file by this colon. Now this statement will read the first field of this etc/passwd file. Inside the while loop, I am printing the usernames line by line using this echo command, and this while loop will keep on repeating until the entire content of the file is redirected or fully read. Now let's see the output. Make sure to provide the executive permission before executing the file. I have already done so using the chmod command. As you can see, the output is all the users in the system listed line by line. At the bottom of the output, it will list the current user, which is me. Now this is obvious, as I have shown you the etc-passwd file before. I am showing it again. Here in the first field on the left side are all the usernames, and at the last you can see the current user. So my script reads all the contents of the file and chooses the first field separated by colon and lists them line by line. In the second method, I will show you how to get the list of users using the getent command. I have already written the script. Now I will explain it. At first, likewise, I have written the shebang line. Then I have defined a variable named user list, where I have used command substitution with the getent command. I have written getent, then the name of the file, which is passwd, from where I will get the usernames. Then I have used the pipe character to pipe this command with the cut command, which will just extract the first field or the leftmost field of this file. Then I have written a print statement using echo command, which will just print list of users. Then I have written the echo command and access this variable user list, which will list the name of users line by line. Now let's see the output. Always make sure to provide the executive permission before executing the script. The executive permission is provided. We can see it using the ls-l command. As you can see, the executive permission has been provided for the owner group. Now let's execute the script getent.sh. The output is shown in the terminal. It lists all the users in your current system, and at the last, it displays the current user which is logged in the system. That is me. Now I will demonstrate a short comparative analysis between the two methods. In my opinion, using the getent command to print the list of users is much more easier than accessing it from the etc/passwd file. This is because, as I have shown before in method 1, to access the list of users from etc/passwd file, you have to use a while loop and complex script structures to access its username. On the other hand, you can access the usernames directly using the getent command. Furthermore, the getent command can work on databases and can be used to handle different types of databases. Also, you can extract much more information using the getent command. So it is a wise choice to use the getent command when listing the users in your system. So that was all for today. In this video, I have showed you two different methods to list users in your system. If you want to know further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.